In this tutorial, you can use wax for pillar candles. Here, I recommend two commonly used types. You may directly use 100% pillar soy wax or use a blend of container soy wax and white beeswax in equal parts. It's not recommended to use only 100% white beeswax because it requires a higher pouring temperature, which is not suitable for this technique. If you want to use white beeswax in this formulation, you need to mix it with half of the container soy wax. Prepare the acrylic mold you like. Melt a small amount of wax over medium heat. Dye the wax liquid in black. When the wax liquid reaches around 75 degrees Celsius, scoop it out with a spoon and evenly spread it on the mold walls to create black spots. After spreading, wait a few seconds until the spots are no longer flowing before continuing to spread in other areas. The spoon I'm using here is too small. I suggest using a larger one. Scoop out the wax liquid once for each spot to create a smoother surface. After spreading the wax to the desired positions, use a heat gun to clean the pot. We'll melt the remaining wax and wipe it with a tissue. Add the wax your mold required and melt it over medium heat. When the wax liquid reaches between 75 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius, pour a small amount into the mold and immediately pour it out. This will coat the wax liquid with the black spots to prevent color mixing. Repeat the pouring and pouring out process to make the wax wall about 3 mm thick to prevent the black spots from melting. When the remaining wax liquid reaches between 60 degrees Celsius and 65 degrees Celsius, add around 8% candle fragrance oil and stir quickly. Pour into the mold at between 55 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius and secure the wick. After about half an hour, use a heat gun to melt and smooth the surface. If there's anything holds, melt the wax surface first and then add another layer of wax liquid. Squeeze the mold or tap it gently on the table to loosen the candle, then pull it out.